In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Docusign tags to a PDF in Docusign in the easiest way possible. So let's get started on making your document signing process seamless and efficient. First, head over to the Docusign website. You can do this by opening your preferred browser and typing in www.docusign.com. Once you're on their homepage, you want to locate the login button. It usually sits at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login screen where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your Docusign account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up by following Docusign's straightforward registration process. Once you're logged in, you should automatically land on the Docusign homepage. If for some reason you don't see it, simply navigate by using the home button, usually represented as a small house icon. This homepage is your hub for managing documents. Now, to add tags to a PDF, you will need to select a template. Templates in Docusign serve as reusable forms, and they save you time if you often send out similar documents. To pick one, look for the Templates option on the menu and select a template that fits your needs. Next, you'll be prompted to add some details to your document. This step is crucial because it specifies who the signers are and outlines what additional information is required. Ensure everything is accurate to avoid any issues later on. After filling in the necessary details, you just go ahead and click Next. This will move you to the final stage of adding fields and tags to your document. Now it's time to add those all-important tags. On the right-hand side of your screen, find a button labeled Add Fields. Clicking on this will reveal a panel on the left side of the page. This panel offers a variety of tag options including signer name, date signed, text field, checkbox, and more. Browse through these options and select the ones that match the fields you need to include in your document. To add a tag, click and drag it from the panel onto the document in the area you want it to appear. You can adjust its size and position to ensure it fits well with the surrounding text. It's a simple drag and drop action, making it incredibly user-friendly. Repeat this process for every tag type that needs to be included. Once you're satisfied with the layout and placement of your tags, you've successfully learned how to add Docusign tags to a PDF. Take a moment to review the document to make sure all tags are in the correct positions. And there you have it. You've efficiently set up your document for electronic signing using Docusign. Whether it's a business contract or an important agreement, your document is now ready for signing in a structured and legally compliant manner. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.